Hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
I got my car stolen.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got here at 2:45, and I came back down here at 3:30, and it was gone. I had left the keys in the cup holder and closed the cup holder.
Okay.
And so.
Okay. Were you out here with anybody that might have grabbed it?
That might have what?
Somebody you were with that might have taken it home or anything?
No, I was by myself.
All right.
Yeah.
Who'd you see get into it?
It was a guy probably maybe 30 years old. It wasn't his car.
No.
I kept looking at him because he asked me if I had a light. I was like, there's no way he drives a BMW.
Would you be able to identify that guy if you ever saw him again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's a 30-year-old white
I
male?
would say 30-year-old white male, shoulder length hair.
Blonde?
Blonde. Yeah,
blonde,
looked a little bit like me when I was younger. He kept asking for a light, and I was like, how in the world does he have a BMW if he doesn't have a light for a cigarette?
Okay, blonde, shoulder length hair.
Yep.
130 miles an hour, and I swear to God, that's his motor. Do you have a fire extinguisher?
No, I got in the car. I don't know. I teleported or something.
Where'd you get the car from?
I don't know. It's Calvin.
From the beach side?
I don't know. I teleported.
Officer, where's your fire extinguisher?
Come over here. Give me just 1 second.
Yeah.
Put your hands up on my car.
Yes, sir. At the teleport or the hospital? How about hospital?
Did you come from Bicentennial Park?
It came from
I don't know.
Bicentennial Park?
It came from north.
They told me the X-Men to do it.
Okay, but the dog park?
I don't know. The X-Men told me I don't do that stuff. I texted me. I'll just take the teleport, okay?
I got 11012.
I'm gonna keep it safe. Just 9 Hamilton. Someone told me to get in there.
Just sit tight.
Someone's in my
How
head.
you cut him out of his seat?
Someone
It's
told
not
me
his.
in my head.
You know what a fire extinguisher is? I don't want the wood.
I got one secure.
Thank you for saving me.
Give me just 1 second. That's not going to catch it off.
Thank you for
All
saving
right.
me.
You got him. He's out. I
I don't know how I got him out.
Come on.
Yeah, signal 20 says
Oh
he
my
teleported
God.
out of the car.
He
He stole the car.
I don't know how I got him out. I promise God stole it. That's why.
Hey, can you give me that tag?
But was he around me doing 100 mile an hour?
So good. Christopher Martin is all this done.
Go ahead with it.
You saved me from the aliens.
Bro, do you need an
Yeah, I need water.
Okay.
A
little bit easy. Watch your lips. Yeah, it's one and the same. Okay.
I told him my tummy. It's like, hey, yo. I go, I can't just one.
Do me a favor. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward.
Yeah.
It wasn't for that seatbelt. Step forward. Step forward. Stop. Don't go nowhere. Do you have an ID on
I
you?
don't know how I got in there.
Yes.
Yeah. Water. Can I get some water?
Yeah, we'll get some more.
Yeah, some water.
Yeah, you're gonna need to go to the hospital
You want to
tonight.
hold my face? Yeah, okay.